Today we are going to discuss some examples on direct product or to find order of some examples to find order of an elements in Zm cross Zn. Okay, so example first, find order of 8, 4, 10 in Z12 cross Z60 cross Z24. Okay, to finding order of this element is belongs to in this element. To find order of this element, how to finding this order of this element? Okay, we know that here one remark is seen in previous lectures, cyclic group, definition of cyclic group in that lecture. If A belongs to in Zn, and GCD of A and En equal to D, okay, then GCD of A and En equal to D, then order of A equal to, okay, order of A equal to N divides D, okay, order of A equal to N divides D, that is D means GCD of A and En, that is order of Zn divided by GCD of A and N. Okay, so using this in Zn, using this result to show, find order of each element. Find 8 is element belongs to Z12, 4 is element is belongs to Z60, and 10 is elements of Z24. So find each of elements of order in Z12, 4 has Z60 and 10 has Z24. Okay, so using these two, finding each of elements of order in their set Z12, Z60 and Z25. Then lastly, to find combining this all element, to find LCM of this all order of this element. Okay, to find order of LCM of order of this three elements, then their LCM we get a order of this element. Okay, so to find order of 8 in order of 8 in Z12. Okay, 8 has a order in Z12 is, how to finding using this result. Okay, using this result, GCD of 8 and 12 is GCD is 4. Okay, GCD of 8 and 12 is 4. Therefore, order of 8 equal to order of Z12 is 12, and D means GCD of 8 and 12 is 4, and therefore order of 8 is equal to 3. Okay, means 8 into 3 equal to 24, and 24 is congruent to 0 modulo 12. Therefore, order of 8 is equal to 3. Okay, this is one order. Then to find next order of 4 in Z60. Order of 4 in Z60 is maybe 55. 15. Okay, 15 into 4 equal to 60. Okay, so using this definition, order of 4 equal to 60 divided by GCD of 60 and 4 is 4. Okay, and their order is 15. So then next order of 10 in Z24 is maybe 5, 10 into 5, order of 10 is 12 maybe, or 24 into 5 is equal to 120. 120 is congruent to 0 mod 25, means 12 into 20 is 120. Okay, so using this criteria, using this result, order of 10 equal to 24 divided by GCD of 10 and 20. GCD of 10 and 24 is 2. Okay, their order is, so GCD of 10 and 24 equal to 2, GCD of 4 and 60 equal to 4, and GCD of 8 and 12 equal to 4. Okay, therefore order of 8 equal to 3, order of 4 equal to 15, and order of 10 equal to 12. Therefore order of 8, 4 and 10 is equal to LCM of order of 8, order of 4, order of 12. Using this result, so LCM of least common multiple of 8 has order 3, 4 and 12. Okay, LCM of is 12. LCM of 3, 4 and 12 is 12. Therefore order of 8, 4 and 10, order of 8, 4 and 10 is equal to 12. Okay, so this is one example of how to finding order of given element in direct product. Okay, so next element find order of 8 and 10 in Z12 cross Z24. Similar way, find GCD of 8 and 12 is 4, 10 and 24 is 2. Then order of 8 similar way in above example is same as this example. GCD of order of 8 is 3 and order of 10 is 12, and LCM of 3 and 12 is 24. So using this above result same as above example, so find their order. Okay, so next example is find order of 2, 6 in Z4 cross Z12. Then second order of 3, 10, 9 in Z4 cross Z12 cross Z5. And third is order of 3, 6, 12 and 16 in Z4 cross Z12 cross Z20 cross Z24. Okay, so solve this one and these 3 example in home. So last example, solution of third example is how to find the solution. Let 3, 6, 12, 16 belongs to Z4 cross Z12 cross Z20 cross Z24. First to find order of 3 in Z4. Okay, order of 3 equal to 4 divided by GCD of 3 and 4 is 1 equal to 4. Order of 6 equal to order to find order of 6 in Z12. Okay, GCD of 6 and 12 is 6, therefore order of 6 is 2. Okay, order of 6 equal to 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Next order of 12 in Z20. Order of 12 in Z20 is order of GCD of 12. Here GCD of 12 and 20 is maybe 4. Okay, GCD of 12 and 20 is 4. So order of 12 is 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Okay, then next order of 16 order of 16 in Z24, order of 16 in Z24 is 16 and 24 as GCD is 8. Okay, GCD of 16 and 24 equal to 8. Then order of 16 equal to 24 divided by 8 equal to 3. Okay, therefore order of 6, 12, order of 3, 6, 12 and 16 is equal to LCM of 4, 8 and 3, and their LCM is equal to maybe 24. Okay, LCM of 4, 8, 3 is 24. Therefore order of this element 3, 6, 12, 16 in Z4 cross Z12 in order of 3, 6, 12, 16 in Z4 cross Z12 cross Z20 cross Z24 is 24. Okay, using this all results, so find their order. Similar way, list of the next example. List, next example, list the elements of Z12 cross Z4, means to write all elements of Z2 cross Z4, and again find order of each element, find order of each element, and is this group is cyclic, this group is cyclic or not. Okay, so solution of this element, firstly to find elements of Z2 cross Z4. Here Z2 equal to only contain 2 elements 0, 1, and Z4 is contain only 4 elements 0, 1, 2 and 3. So order pair of each element is, first element 0 is fixed, then change the elements of second component 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3. Then next element is 1, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. Order of Z2 cross Z4 is 8. Okay, 2 into 4 is 8, which contains 8 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, which has 8 elements. Okay, which contains 8 elements. To find order of each element, means to find 0, 0 as order, 0, 0 as order is 1, then order of 0, 1. So how to finding their order? So using here, using result, we know that order of AB in Z2 cross Z4 equal to LCM of order of A into order of B. Using this result, where order of A is in Z2 and order of B is in Z4. Okay, so order of first element is 0, 0. Order of 0, 0 is LCM of order of 0. Order of 0 in Z2 is 1, and order of 0 in Z4 is also 1. Their LCM is 1. Then second element is 0 1. Okay, LCM of order of 0 is 1 in Z2 and Z4. Okay, and order of 1 in Z4 is 4. Okay, order of 1 in Z4 is 4, because 4 into 1 equal to 0. Okay, equal to identity. Therefore LCM is 4. Then order of 0 2 equal to LCM of 1 and 2 has order is 2. Okay, 2 has order 2 in Z4, so LCM equal to 2. Then order of 0 3 equal to LCM of 1 0 has order 1 in Z2 and 3 has order in Z4 is 4. Okay, 4. Then their order is LCM is 4. So next 4 elements, order of 1 0. Order of 1 0 is LCM of 1 has order in Z2 is 2. Okay, 1 has order in Z2 is 2 and 0 is 1 in Z4, so their LCM is 2. Order of 1 1 equal to LCM of 2 and 1 has order in Z4 is 4, so their LCM is 4. Order of 1 2 equal to LCM of order of 1 has order in Z2 is 2 and 2 has order in Z4 is 2, their LCM 2. And order of 1 3 equal to LCM of order of 1 is 2 and 3 has order 4, so their LCM is 4. Okay, so this is the order of each element in Z2 cross Z4. Now this group is cyclic or not. Okay, next example is next question is this group is cyclic or not. Okay, how to find this group is cyclic or not? Here some results we know that if order of A equal to order of G, then G is cyclic group. Where A belongs to G. Here order of Z2 cross Z4, and here there does not exist any element. There does not exist any element in Z2 cross Z4 which has order is 8. Okay, means no any element in Z2 cross Z4 has order 8. So no element exists, which implies that where G is finite. Okay, where G is finite. Here no any element of order is 8, so G is not cyclic. Therefore Z2 cross Z4 is not cyclic. Okay, or here in previous theorem is one example is seen that one theorem is seen that Zm cross Zn is cyclic. Okay, Zm cross Zn is cyclic if and only M and N are relatively prime. Okay, M and N are relatively prime. Using this result, Z2 cross Z4 is not cyclic because 2 and 4 is GCD is not equal to 1, or 2 and 4 are not relatively prime. Okay, so this is the example. So permutation chapter here completed. So next lecture we discuss homomorphism and isomorphism. Okay.